Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn civil engineering basics. Begin by grasping the fundamental scientific and mathematical principles that underpin all engineering disciplines. Focus on subjects such as physics, calculus, and linear algebra, as these form the bedrock of civil engineering. Next, delve into core civil engineering topics like statics, mechanics of materials, and fluid mechanics. This foundational knowledge is crucial for understanding how structures and systems behave under various conditions. Once you have a strong foundation, move on to specific civil engineering subjects. This includes structural analysis, which teaches you how to design stable buildings and bridges. Geotechnical engineering focuses on soil and rock mechanics, essential for foundation design. Also, explore transportation engineering, covering road and traffic systems, and water resources engineering, dealing with water supply and flood control. Understanding these areas provides a comprehensive view of the field. Practical experience is invaluable for solidifying your understanding. Work on small design projects, perhaps using free CAD software, to visualize and implement concepts. Consider joining student engineering clubs or competitions to collaborate and learn from peers. Internships offer direct exposure to professional practices and allow you to see how theoretical knowledge translates into real-world solutions. This hands-on approach helps bridge the gap between classroom learning and actual engineering challenges. Civil engineering is a dynamic field, so continuous learning is key. Read industry publications, attend webinars, and consider pursuing certifications to enhance your skills. Networking with experienced engineers can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable mentorship. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to help you keep learning on the go. Staying curious and engaged will ensure your long-term success in this rewarding profession.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.